Please subscribe and like my channel to receive updated video. Today we learned that how start learning course or animation in articulate storyline 3 and how to page size setup. Now you can see new project on right side on your screen. Now you have to click on it. Now you can see a page on your screen. Now you have to double click on page. After that you have work on the page as you seen on your screen center. To start design course, first you have to set your page size, according your course content height and weight. Go to design tab on top and click on it. Click on view story size setup. Now you can see, change story size pop-up window is open. In this, many page size you can see when you click on down arrow. If you went custom size, you have to uncheck lock aspect ratio. After uncheck, type size figure as you went and click to OK. Now you can see, page size increased. Now you can start, design the course content. Next lesson, I will share very soon. Please subscribe, and like my channel, to receive updated video. Thank you for watching my video.